Did you know that spiritual practices like meditation and yoga can change your body on a genetic level? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but science has backed it. In this video, we're going to take a look into this fascinating concept of spirituality and your genetics. I'll explain how your mindset and your lifestyle can actually tune your genes and how this can change your life. Hi, I am Bethel, and I love to give practical tips to assist people along their spiritual journey so that you can live a life of bliss, joy, and peace like you desire. First, let's clear something up. Your DNA is the blueprint of your body, and that doesn't change. But what does change is how your body uses the DNA. Scientists have discovered something called epigenetics, which is like a volume knob for your genes. It decides which genes are turned on or off depending on your lifestyle, your thoughts, your beliefs, or what you focus on, and your daily habits. Here's the cool part. Studies show that things like meditation and yoga and even deep breathing actually affect which genes are turned on or off. For example, meditation has been linked to lowering your stress hormone and even increasing your immune system. This means that your spiritual practices could actually be healing yourself from the inside out. Think about it like this. When you meditate or do yoga, you are giving instructions to your body to heal, to relax, and grow. Your genes will listen and respond. Now, how does this tie into your spirituality? When you are living a life of spirituality and practicing all these different techniques that assist you in living a high vibe life, you are interacting with your body in a high vibrational impact. You are telling your genes that you want to be happy, calm, relaxed. You're more mindful of your thoughts and your actions and your beliefs and your emotions. And that is exactly what your genes respond to. So when you let go of stress, calm your body, practice high vibrational emotions like love, gratitude, and joy, yourself with your higher self through all these different spiritual practices, you are not just transforming your mind, you are signaling to your body to turn on different genes within your system as well. And then your DNA becomes a partner in your spiritual journey. Studies are still being shown, but have not quite been proven, that people that have continuously lived a higher vibrational lifestyle, their physical demeanor actually starts changing. Their face becomes softer. It almost seems like they're walking around with a glow. I had a friend, we both started our spiritual awakening there at very similar times. And she used to have a mole on the side of her face that bothered her. And she noticed that the more that she just ignored the mole and engaged in her spirituality, she started noticing that the mole seemed to be shrinking. And it looks like it's not even there now. That hasn't been backed by science yet, but there are so many stories where people do start seeing physical changes in your appearance just by practicing in spiritual practices. So here are 3 things you can do today that can awaken your spiritual DNA. Number 1, meditate. For those of you that follow me regular, you know that I mention meditation quite frequently. Meditation is a great way to calm your body and connect with your higher self. It is a great way to help increase the vibrational energies inside of you. And as you increase those vibrational energies inside of you, you are signaling to your DNA to change, to turn off different genes that no longer serve you and turn on the genes that assist you in living a life of purpose and passion. So when you spend 5 to 10 minutes a day meditating and focusing on your breathing, you are not only calming your nervous system, you are also asking it to heal. That's really handy for the wintertime when it seems like everyone's walking away sick. If you feel like you're getting sick, meditate more. It'll calm you down and increase your immune system. Maybe you won't get sick so often. Another thing to turn on your DNA is gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling has shown to increase positive changes. It is because when you journal, you are training your brain to think about the things you're grateful for, the good things in life. Instead of sitting back and thinking of all the things that are going wrong, which decreases your immune system and makes you stressful and heavy, it actually reminds you of all the good in your life. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I love to say that our brain can only focus on one thing at a time. And so as we are focused on the good things in our life, our subconscious is going to find more and more ways to show us how life is great and wonderful and blissful and exciting and magical. And so gratitude journaling is an amazing way to help turn on those genes, because your brain is being trained to see all the good around you. And a third way that you can turn on the genes that you desire in your body is through mindful movement. Like Tai Chi, it is a way that connects your brain, your heart, and your body to Mother Earth, and you're focused on your movement. That gentle movement and connectedness increases the feeling of positivities and joy and the happy things inside of you that turn on those DNA genes that assist you in living a high vibe life. The bottom line is that your spiritual journey isn't just changing the way you think and feel. It is changing you from the inside out in more ways than we ever thought possible. Your DNA is listening, and with the right practices, it can turn on the genes inside of you to assist you in reaching your full potential. What do you think about your DNA assisting you to reaching your full potential? Go ahead and put them in the comments below. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other juicy tips that I love to share. And if this video is interesting and you think someone else might enjoy it, go ahead and share it. Let's all join together in the wonderful experience of healing from inside out and vibe higher than we ever thought possible. Until next time, I love you. May your life be full of joy and bliss. Namaste.